Alright folks, today we're diving into the enchanting world of transformation with the story of a little caterpillar named Keto. Picture this, a vibrant garden, full of lush leaves and fluttering butterflies. In the middle of all that goodness, there's Keto, munching away and dreaming big. I mean, who hasn't looked up at the sky and thought, I want to fly?
Wow, that really gets to me. I mean, do you think Keto ever had doubts? Like wondering if he'd really become a butterfly?
Oh, absolutely. Just imagine being Keto. He's there, every day munching on leaves, watching those butterflies flutter freely, and really wishing he could join them. It's that dream, the vision of what you want to be, that fuels the journey. And when he found that soft spot to make his cocoon, that's when the real magic began.
So is the cocoon a metaphor for, challenges in life or something?
Exactly. The cocoon is such a powerful metaphor. It's where Keto faced, I'd say, the discomfort and the unknown. Just like in our lives, we often have to go through a phase of transformation that, let's be honest, is kind of uncomfortable. But that cocoon, it's not just a waiting period, it's where the real magic happens.
Ooh. So when you're in college or a new job, feeling all confused and stuff?
Yes, perfect example. Think about it. College is that cocoon where you're stretching yourself, learning new things, making mistakes, and sometimes even doubting if you'll make it. You're transforming into someone more capable. Keto's time in the cocoon is like all that learning and growth we experience. It's all leading to our beautiful wings.
Wow, I love that. So when Keto finally breaks out and starts flying, oh man, I can imagine how amazing that felt. Do you think he was more appreciative of flying because he had to wait for it?
Absolutely. It's like when you've worked hard for something and then it finally happens. It feels all the more rewarding. Keto felt the warm sunlight and the breeze on his wings. You can bet he never took that for granted. Every little joy after a struggle is so exhilarating.
Have you ever had a moment like that, after a tough workout or when you finally nailed a presentation?
Oh, totally. Remember when I was training for that marathon? It was grueling. I mean, those early mornings, the self-doubt, there were moments I thought, what am I doing? But crossing that finish line? It was euphoric. Just like Keto, you appreciate the beauty of your efforts after the struggle.
So, the moral of Keto's story is, to keep dreaming and pushing through the tough stuff, right?
You nailed it. Never give up on your dreams. Remember, every change can lead to something beautiful. Keto's journey teaches us that while the path might not be easy, the results can be incredibly rewarding. So, whether you're a little caterpillar or a full-blown butterfly, keep soaring, folks.
Laughs. Oh man, I just love this metaphor. It's so inspiring. You know what? I think I'm gonna go find my own cocoon to transform in.
That's the spirit. Embrace every awkward moment, every struggle, because it's all part of the beautiful journey of transformation.
Can I bring snacks to my cocoon? I mean, Keto seemed to enjoy munching his leaves.